Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to shop at Walmart using Cash App Afterpay. So let's get started. Before you begin, make sure the Cash App is installed on your phone, and if you haven't downloaded it yet, get it from device app store and complete the account setup process. Also check that your Cash App balance or connected bank account has enough funds available to cover the first installment. During this process, you may be asked to accept the terms and submit a few details for approval. Once everything is set up, visit Walmart. You can make your purchase either through Walmart's website or at a Walmart retail location. If you're shopping online, place the products you want into your cart at checkout. Select Cash App Afterpay as your preferred payment option. Before confirming the order, you'll be shown a payment schedule that divides the purchase's total into 4 separate installments. Be sure to make each installment by its due date to avoid late charges. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.